So I tried to design my first real PCB with AI. And let's just say, electronic engineers, you are still needed. I am not an electronic engineer yet. I did some small PCBs, used CNC, but this was supposed to be my real, legit, proper board. So I thought, okay, I will try out some of those AI tools, because what could go wrong, right? I signed up for the tool's free trial, and by free I mean, please enter your credit card, we promise nothing bad will happen. I had 100 free credits, they evaporated faster than my patience, and I am rather impatient. I did the proper system engineering beforehand, requirements, functional diagrams, block diagrams, component mapping. So my plan was, I give the AI all the requirements, it gives me a beautiful schematic. That was the plan. Instead, the AI mostly repeated my words back at me. It kept talking about my schematic, but it actually didn't exist. So I said, okay AI, show me the schematic. And finally, something appeared. A resistor connected to itself. Capacitors just hanging in the void. It also proudly described a design that didn't match the drawing. But I thought, hey, I'm close. I can feel the schematic forming. So I added a few more credits and then a few more. And after $35, I realized I wasn't close. And even if it had worked, turns out you cannot really export the design to KiCad. My attempt to design a PCB with AI ended up with floating capacitors, hugging resistors, and donating $35 to AI gods. In the next episode, I will design the board without AI. Stay tuned.